welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Well, spring has come and spring is gone. It's already up to 90 degrees down here in South Louisiana, so it's hot. And why I ever made this a black shirt, I have no idea. But the place that I get my shirts from, they're closed now thanks to the Louisiana government until at least April 13th. So I just have to wait it out now. Now on to what we're going to be doing today. Today we're doing sweet and sour style Asian ribs on a stick burner. Alright, we've got our St. Louis style cut of ribs here. I've already patted them dry. We're going to go ahead and flip them over now. We're going to remove the chain here. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the membrane. I'm going to get the butter knife up underneath it. Get your paper towel. And just start pulling at it. Sometimes it comes off all in one piece, and sometimes, like it's doing now to me, it comes off into little sections. But we'll get it covered. Looks like when they were slicing this one, somebody scored it right there, but we'll get it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and flip it over now. Alright, our binder today, we're going to, because it's Asian themed, we're going to go ahead and use some soy sauce. And today we're using Honey Hog Barbecue by Meat Church. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that on. Flip it over now. Go ahead and get the back side now. Alright, now that that's all done, we're going to go ahead and get our grill started up. We're looking for a temperature of 275. And we're going to be using a mixture of charcoal and B&B cherry wood. So let's go ahead and get that started. Alright, we're an hour in. Gonna go ahead and spritz it with a mixture of apple juice and apple cider vinegar. Looking good. Alright, we hit our 2-hour mark. Everything's looking good. Time to go ahead and wrap the ribs. Alright, since we're going to do sweet and sour, we're not going to do the butter and brown sugar on it. We're just going to go ahead and put the ribs on there. We're just going to go ahead and spritz it some more with some apple juice and the apple cider vinegar. Going to spritz it pretty well now. We're going to go ahead and wrap it. Your 2 coats of aluminum foil. We're going to put it back on the smoker. Alright. Go ahead and put it back on here. For another hour, and then we're going to go ahead and unwrap them and then put the sauce on there and then let them coast there for the remainder of the time frame. Alright, now it's time to make the sauce. Go ahead and turn your stove onto medium heat. Go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. One-fourth cup of ketchup. A half cup of light brown sugar. A half cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, and then finally 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now you go ahead and just start whisking that together. And you let that simmer now for about 10 minutes. Let it all come together and thicken up. And then the sauce will be ready. Alright, sauce is now done. We're going to go ahead now and bring it out to the ribs and sauce them up. Alright, we'll go ahead and take a look at these ribs now. Oh, they're looking beautiful. Alright, now time to put sauce on them. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put them back on the grill now. All right, we reached our final temp. They look beautiful. All right, ribs look great. Now we're going to do the last little addition is some green onions. It looks and smells amazing. Going in now for the taste test. Cuts through effortlessly. Nice little smoke ring. Very juicy. Definitely see all that. Perfect bite. Definitely can taste the sweet and sour sauce that we made. Nice little tang to it. Definitely impressed. Very happy with what turned out. If you like what I'm doing here, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.